Countryside all day. There again, people. But today, I'm going to kind of veer off of the subject that Jamaicans don't own Jamaica. I have many more information to give the viewers about that. But today, I want to veer off of the subject as I said about something that I was actually shocked about myself. Who knew that Jamaica produced vehicles, motor vehicles? A man by the name of Patrick Marcuza or Kuka, which is a born Jamaican, which he look like he's mixed and look like he have a little nigger in him. So this is a plus. Produced the first island cruiser, as him call it, in Jamaica in 2003, and he mainly supplied countries like Turkey and Caicos and various other Caribbean islands. I've actually seen one of these mini island cruises in Jamaica, but I never really paid attention to it. But I think that's something that we can be proud of as a Jamaican. I'm a string for straws, you know. I'm stringing for straws, but I pull for straws because pretty power down here. And when I say no pretty power down here, a whole heap of things are going on the island and we don't have a clue about what are going on. The only thing we think about at Christmas time, we come on at Christmas and bring our family some things, party. Some of we are coming and flex and show off and do what we are doing and boogie. But you're going to find one day if we continue to live that way, that we cannot come here and do it so freely or so easily. You understand? Because you have people down here, they are invested in this island and they're not from here. Their family are not from here. And their loyalty is not for here. So if we don't wise up, those things that we enjoy from year to year, day to day, may disappear. And we're not going to have nobody but to blame ourselves. We have the technology. We have the education. Jamaica is one of the most educated islands in the Caribbean. We have the know-how, but we don't have the mentality. And that mentality, I gotta do it all. So, if you like and subscribe. You don't know. Soon or soon. Countryside all day.